Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2014 Toyota Camry. This one is a hybrid though. The steering wheel looks different from the other Camrys, maybe because of the year, maybe because it's a hybrid. But other than that, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset and the oil change in this vehicle. Also, I have another videos of how to do things on the Camry. I'm gonna put it on top of this screen in this video so you can check that out. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, dang it, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. And now I'm gonna let you watch this how to do the oil change in this Camry 2014. Alright, after that I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm back. How you like the video how to do the oil change? I hope you like it. Well, now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2014 Toyota Camry 2.5 liter engine hybrid. You start your vehicle, it's running right now. It says maintenance required, right? Well, all you gotta do is with this pin right here, put it in trip A. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty here. put in trip A. Okay, just press it like that. That's trip B. That's the mileage. Trip A. Now you're gonna press it and hold it. Being in trip A, press this and hold it. And now this, you're gonna press this once, okay? Then everything is gonna be, the car is gonna be shut down, and then press this twice, okay? I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Maybe I can do it with one hand. If I, okay, a little bit tricky, but here we go. Press this guy, press it and hold it. Press this one once. Everything's set. Press it twice. You're gonna see that. Don't let the pin go. Now it's reset. Let it go. Let the pin go. Let's start the vehicle. Now it's running. There's no more message about the maintenance required. So this is how you reset the oil life in this 2014 Toyota Camry 2.5 liter engine hybrid. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Make my channel be better, bruh and sister. Thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bang the like button, and please, the feedback, the comments, put in the comment box for me. Oh, by the way, the oil change, if you notice, I put the funnel in the oil filter housing just because I have some fans that were asking me, hey, what is this for, this and that, blah blah blah. So there you go, you're gonna see me in the oil change video putting this tiny funnel in the oil filter housing just to drain the housing, okay? And the difference is that you just put the funnel just to release the pressure of the oil, so when you remove the oil filter housing, it's not gonna splash on you or something like that. You'll see, you see the difference from other videos that I did. Alright, check out the how to change the brakes in a Camry, how to change the side mirrors and other things. I'm gonna put it on the top of this video just because it's related to it, because it's Camry. And thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, bang it, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Catch you in the next one. Astuo, Uru. Hey!